Good morning, guys. It's working. All right, guys. Well, everything that I have been doing have been working out great. I have been getting rid of the what ifs. And that's when you're trying to declutter and you say, what if I need this? And you keep stuff and it just sits there and start that vicious cycle all over again of hating clutter around you. You got to get rid of the what ifs. So, when I started this decluttering series in my life, I had a lot to declutter. So I slowly started getting rid of stuff, but at the same time, I kept things. And because of the what ifs. And then there were some things that I wasn't even completely honest about. Things that I hadn't worn in years, wasn't going to wear. But just in case, or what if? What if I lose weight? What if I miss it? What if I'm making a mistake by getting rid of it? You're going to have those what ifs, but you have to remember it's okay to make a mistake. No one is perfect. I have been going through products like crazy. The shower stuff is in the shower as far as the shower washes, the body washes and the shampoos and conditioners and the scrubs. I got me a nice whole set in there. And I got my set over here for my facial creams, my facial serums, and my body lotions. That's sitting right there. My products, I am down to only what I use. As far as my products, I am down to only what I use, no matter what the hairstyle is. And I got some stuff going on under here today. But it is working. It is working. Guys, I was terrible, terrible, terrible with constantly buying different types of facial creams and things like that, and collagen creams and facial creams and serums and things like that, to whereas I had a gang of them, because once again, you better get it now, because if you run out, at least you'll have it at home and you could just pull it out. So now I'm stuck with all these creams. Then when I ran into my bathroom and started cluttering that, I had another gang of creams. So now I'm using the creams up. So now, since it's daytime, I'm going to start with my day cream. And I'm going to put my day cream on. And so now I'm about to get ready to go to bed. I have applied my day cream twice today. And now I'm about to get ready to go night-night. I'm getting close to not really having any more of this. I think I got maybe 3 sets left. This decluttering technique is working like a charm. So that's it for my facial serums and stuff. So now let me put my Smell Good on for bed. Now I'm about to put my Smell Good on. Now this is one of my favorite lotions and everything. And I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. And this is Black Currant Vanilla. And at one time I had a gang of these. But since I've been doing my routine, and I have them where I use them, I only put, just a little on, because it can be pretty loud, so you don't need a lot. But I'm almost out of it. because I have a routine. And when I take a bath and everything, I do my facial creams and I do my little body lotions. That's another thing that I put on a little bit, just a little bit. And so, yeah, that is another replacement for like perfumes and things, which I had a gang of. But because I have this routine in place, everything is leaving. Everything is leaving, and I'm not buying nothing else until I'm down to the last bottle, and that's halfway gone. And then that is it. And my cluttering days and storing things is over. This is a simple technique that works. And on top of that, the more that I'm cleaning out my space, I'm telling you, it is addictive. I got rid of mismatch plates. It's, it's we was doing dishes like crazy. So guys, I got rid of all the unnecessary dishes in my cabinet, and we didn't even need all those dishes like that, but yet I had them taking up space. Like I said, we should have had enough room in this house to do what we needed to do, but because unnecessary stuff was here, the house just kept getting crowded and more crowded. So now look. Guys, I'm telling you, you probably don't need a lot of the things that you have sitting around your house. But the other thing that I am going to tell you is be patient with yourself. Make a list of things that you want to do and want to get rid of. And even if you can't get rid of some of the things that's really hard right now, those can be the last of the things that you get rid of. So go from easy to medium to hard. Because once you get medium, easy and medium out the way, when it comes to the hard things and you seeing the results of your home, your area, how much space you have, how much easier you move around, get ready in the morning, and loving your home, you seeing your home clear out of this stuff, watch how you change your mind on the hard things that was hard to get rid of. Start with your mail. Start decluttering that mail. Shred it, get rid of it. Your towels. How many towels do each person in your house really need? How many? You make a set, and then you have your guest set. How many comforters do you need for the beds that you have in your home? Okay. Once those comforters get old, just keep a comforter for each bed, one for a guest, switch out duvets. So if you that person that has a lot of things in their home and you're out in the street and you see something, you say, oh, I think I need that, and you go buy it, guess what's going to end up happening? You're going to end up double buying. I ended up double buying this gel. I had a whole bunch of it here, but I went and bought this. So now as I use this, I transfer this into this, and I'll never do this again. Another reason why I never do it again, because now that most of the stuff is gone, I can actually see what I have. I can actually, and I'm not double buying anymore. Do you have a junk drawer in your kitchen? Bam. Also, when you get the courage to throw some away, I'm telling you, do not delay. Get up, throw it away, take it to the trash, because you're going to go back through that bag and take that stuff out if you don't get it out of your face now. Start getting rid of that stuff. And I am doing so good that now I'm out at the garage getting rid of stuff. Guys, once you start seeing the room in your home, it's going to be easier to clean. It's going to be easier for you to find things. You're going to appreciate your home more. Decluttering is going to become addictive. You're going to start looking for things to throw away. And it's going to make things easier to part with. And I'm going to tell you right now, you have to do the work yourself. I don't care what nobody say. You have to figure out how it got this way. Why is it so hard to let things go? And you have to make a promise to yourself not to be bringing other stuff in until you get a hold of letting things go. All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And I will talk to you later, guys. Mwah.